Welcome, this is easy3dbiz.com giving you another update right here on the 0-point energy battery. My new devices are basically half the size. This is what it looks like compared to the original size, which is this size right here. So it's about half the size, but it's also more powerful too. I'll go ahead and take a reading on this. I'll connect this piece right here. And in this strip I have the piece of magnesium representing the core, because I'm not using the proper wire here. But if you take a look, it's about 1.34 volts, 1.43, 1.42. Basically, I'm not using the silver-plated wire, so the readings are going to be a little bit funny. But it's just a prototype, and it's delivering basically more voltage. Also, the reason the voltage is a little bit stronger is because in here I have a sodium silicate coated fiber, which where the magnesium core goes down through here, basically makes it a little bit less. But I'll hook it up. Remember, this is not the original wire that I should be using. I'm using tin-plated wire, and that's why it fluctuates like crazy. But it's still about 1.21, 1.2 volts, probably a maximum of 1.30. And then when I compare the voltage to the larger size, which, for example, let's go ahead and do one of the original ones with the tin-plated wire. I mean the silver-plated, the 0.99% silver wire, which is much more easier to work with. So we'll compare it to the larger ones, and you can see I'm getting 1.12, and that's with the large size right here. It gives me about 1.12 volts. So as you can see, the voltage is much better. So I would say it's probably about maybe between 0.5 and 0.10 volts stronger. And that's not too bad considering it's half the size. And the reason I was able to boost the energy in here was because of the lithium. And I put the liquid tape on the outside right here, so it's very strong. It's very rubbery. It's a very rubbery feeling texture, and it gives me some pretty good volts. Once again, it's gone a little bit stronger again, 1.23, 1.22. So it goes up to about between 1.30 to about 1.25, and that's going from this size right here basically to this size, and it's gotten stronger. Basically on the inside right here I'm using 3 layers of magnesium ribbon. I've folded 3 layers. The future versions probably have between 4 and 5. And because I have the sodium silicate seal on the inside right here, I don't have to worry about the magnesium corroding, or if at all. And then on the outside right here I have the copper wrapped around the interior of the battery right here. But this wire should always be 0.99% silver wire, and there should also have a copper wire coming out from here. I'm not using the right wires, that's why the voltage is really weird. But when you put together the right wires, it comes out a constant stable voltage, and hopefully my new silver wire will be in by next week, and I'll be able to re-correct these with a proper wire. Once again, check out my previous videos, the last 2 videos. I showed basically all these guys powering LEDs. Also, I have a piezo buzzer right here, which I was powering up earlier using this. It powered it up no problem, plenty of voltage. And once again, this, for example, this cell here is over 3 weeks old and it's still powering LEDs. These LEDs, no problem at all. So it's obvious these things will keep running. Once again, wish you all good luck in your research. Thank you for watching. This is easy3dbiz.com. I have more information, basically a summary, a thesis on how this works, more scientific verification, plenty of information for you guys to go over and research and build your own devices. But so far mine's been doing pretty well, and the proof of concept is proving itself more and more. What I will do is continue to run this LED for as long as I can, or until the batteries eventually corrode away naturally, and that will be a pretty good effect, or pretty good confirmation. Other researchers have powered devices like this over about for a year and a half before finally corroded out naturally. So it'll probably be the same with this device. Probably go for 1.5 to 2 years before it finally corrodes. Anyway, go ahead and check out the scientific research. All the literature is on the website. And once again, thank you for watching. easy3dbiz.com. Wishing you a great, happy, successful week ahead, and continue luck in your research. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.